Okay, let's see elif condition. Elif is a short for elseif and it is used to check the another condition. If the initial if condition is not met, it means elif is a elseif. It is a short form of elseif condition. Let's see real time example for elif condition. Student score int of input enter a number. We can check the student score. Here we can take condition student score greater than or equal to 90, it means grade A, greater than or equal to 80, grade B, 70, grade C. Okay, let's run the program. Some 89, it go to B grade. Next 99. Based on elif we can check the condition and we can change the operation also. Give 99, it go to B grade. Why? Because of it, the condition is less than or equal to.